Good morning, teacher.
Morning. While waiting for the others, we're going to play a game first. This game is called Cannonball Multiplication.
เพิ่งเข้ามาคนเดียวนี่เขาเล่นเกมใช่ไหม
There are others also. Good morning, Rasa. Good morning, Ganpu.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Can you see my screen? Let's play Cannonball Multiplication. Good morning, Kanumpim. Good morning. Who's that? Morning. Good morning, Tafan. Yes.
Why
Yes.
cannonball fall and the sky?
What?
Why cannonball fall and the sky?
I didn't understand. Okay, so this is our game. Let's play. 4 times 9 equals... Huh? 4 times 9 equals... What did you say, Ganpo?
56.
Okay, very good. 36. Good morning, Stamp. Morning, Peach. 3 times 8. 3 times 8.
74
24.
24.
ตอบก่อนสแตมป์นะ
8 times 3.
28. 21. 21.
Hmm?
21.
No.
Sorry, 24.
24. Good morning, Smile. 8 times 8. 64. Good job. 7 times 7.
Morning,
49.
49. Good morning, Padje. Good morning, 9. 2 times 6.
12
12.
12. 8 times 3.
24
24. Good job. 4 times 9.
63.
Hmm?
36
36. Good job. Okay, you will say up or down, okay? Up? Yes?
Yes.
It already? One more.
And up.
Up?
Yes.
Fire? Okay. Ooh. Oh,
Oh, come on.
come on. Up. Like this? Yes? Did you get them all? There's still one more. Yes? Oh, boom. I think we got them all. Level completed. 5 times 9.
45
45.
Next year.
3 times 3.
9.
9. Oh, very fast. 7 times 3.
21.
21. 8 times 6. 48. Good job. 4 times 8. 32. 9 times 3. Huh? 27. 4 times 4. 16. 3 times 8. 24. Okay, we're going to shoot again. Up.
No. Yes.
Yes? Oh.
Don't
This? Boom.
Hello, morning, teacher.
Good morning. Up. Like this?
No.
Yes? Boom. Did we get it out? Did we get out? Yes? Oh, we didn't get it. What about this? Yes? Okay, let's try. I think we need to go higher. What about like this? Let's try. Why? I think we need to go higher. Why? Yes. Let's try. Try one. This one. Yes, okay, let's try.
อีกนิดนึงก็จะโดนคนแล้วนะ
We still didn't do it. Game over. Okay. So we're going to play again after our class if we still have more time.
I haven't played yet.
You have to enter earlier.
I have no time.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, especially to those who just entered the room that I haven't greeted one by one. Good morning. Today we're going to learn word problems about multiplication. Are you ready to learn?
Yeah.
Okay, so please open your book to 171. It's 171. Yeah, 171. Okay, we're going to answer a sample problem first before we go to the main problems. So our sample are you there already in page 171? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So Julie bought 6 pencils from the school cooperative. Each pencil costs 8 baht. How much did she pay? So this is our problem. There is a girl named Julie that bought 6 pencils from the school cooperative, and 1 pencil is 8 baht. Okay, so we're going to find out how much did she pay to buy 6 pencils. 1 pencil is 8 baht. Okay, so now we're going to clarify the problem first. So what information is provided? What information is provided? How many pencils did Julie buy? How many pencils did she buy?
6 pencils.
6 pencils. And then how much is each pencil?
8 pencils.
8 pencils?
8 baht. 8 baht.
8 baht. Okay, very good. 6 pencils and each one of them is 8 baht. Okay, what is the question in the story? What is the question?
How much did she pay?
Good job. The question in this problem is how much did she pay? So we have to plan. Okay, and in our plan,
48. 48. It is 48.
okay, later. We're going to do the steps one by one, okay? This problem involves repeated addition of 8. We're going to add 8 again and again. 6 times, okay? So therefore, our number sentence will be 6 times 8 equals blank. Okay, I'm going to ask you the questions again. How many pencils did Julie buy?
6.
พวกคุณเป็นอะไรไม่มีสามบล็อกกัน
How much is 1 pencil?
หน้าไหนเหรอคุณกูบอกกับมา
8 baht. So therefore, she bought
นี่
how much?
Teacher, what
She paid
is-
how much? 171.
40.
Therefore, how much did she pay? All in all,
48 baht.
48 baht. Good job. Julie paid 48 baht. So now we're going to check if the answer is correct. So we have to check if it is reasonable. So we can round up the price to 10 baht each. And for 6 pencils, she will have to pay 60 baht. The actual price is lower, so 48 is a reasonable answer. If we're going to estimate, for example, because it's easier to compute when it's 10 baht, okay, we will try to times 10 by 6, and that is 60 baht. And since we added 2 to 8 to make it 10, that means that the actual answer should be lower. And since our actual answer is 48, that is reasonable. Okay, so that is how we check if our answer is correct. So now we're going to have some written activities in 172. 172. We're going to write the number sentence for each word problem, and then we're going to solve them. Okay? 172. 172. For the first problem, Alice arranged flowers in 3 vases. Each vase contained 15 flowers. How many flowers were there altogether? So we have 3 vases and 15 flowers each vase. Therefore, the number sentence will be 3 times 15 equals blank. And since the question is how many flowers were there altogether, we can
Teacher?
answer in complete sentence, there were blank flowers altogether.
What page?
172.
Thanks.
Let me know when you're finished. Good morning, Baybun. This is our written activity in 172. 172. Okay, if you're finished, please press your press the raise hand button.
Finish. Finish.
Press the raise hand button. Is everybody finished?
Finish.
Okay, let's go to number. Okay, let's wait for Kanompim.
Finish.
Finish Kanompim? Alright, so let's go to number 2. Is that Kanompim who said finish?
Finish, teacher.
Okay, so let's go to number 2. Number 2.
Teacher, what's made in the homework?
Homework. I'm going to tell later the homework. Kill first. Number 2. Cindy bought 3 boxes of colored pencils that. Yes?
What page?
Page. $172.
172.
Okay, I'm going to read again. Number 2. Cindy bought 3 boxes of colored pencils that cost 25 baht each. How much money did she need? So what is the number sentence here? What will be the number sentence?
3 times 25 equal blank.
Okay, 3 times 25 equals blank. And our final, very good. And our final answer will be, sure. Cindy needed blank bat. Cindy needed blank bat.
Finish.
If you're finished, please press the raise hand button. Everybody finished?
No, finish.
Okay, let's wait for them. Tarif 172.
Finish. Teacher, not finish. Teacher, land, finish.
Is everybody finished? Everybody finished?
Finish.
Hey, don't make your own word.
Finish.
Okay, finish minus 5.
Finish.
Good. Okay, let's go to number 3. In a school assembly, 6 classes prepared their performances. Each performance required 16 performers. How many performers were there in the school assembly? So there's a school assembly and there are 6 classes there who prepared their performances, and each of them has 16 performers. So what will be the number sentence here? What will be the number sentence?
96.
Number sentence.
6 times 16 equal blank.
Good job. 6 times 16 equals blank. Oh, I wrote the answer. It's supposed to be a blank.
Finish.
Good job. That's okay. If you're finished, when you're finished, press the raise hand button.
Finish, teacher. Very good job. Finish.
Is everybody finished?
Finish.
Okay, let's wait for somebody. I can still see somebody writing.
Teacher, number 2, I'm not finished.
Okay, when they are finished in number 3, we will go back to number 2. Is everybody finished in number 3?
Finish.
Okay, let's go back to number 2. Stamp, are you finished in number 3? Stamp?
Number 1, not finished.
Number 1, okay. Can you take a picture because your classmates are already in the next part? Can you just take a picture of number 1, 2, 3? Take picture.
ถ่ายรูปอะ
Because your classmates are already in the next part.
Finish, teacher.
Stamp finished?
Finish.
Stamp, are you finished?
I have finished number 1 and number 2, teacher.
Again, Stamp.
Finite number 1 and number 2.
Okay, number 3. Number 3.
Number 3 finite.
Okay. So let's go to 172. The next part, we're going to solve each word problem. And of course, we're going to show our work. Okay? Page 172. Okay, a class is divided into 3 groups. There are 14 students in each group. How many students are there in the class? So we're going to show our work. Number 1, there are 14 students in each group, and the class is divided into 3 groups. So that will be 14 times 3. 14 times 3, and that will be blank. There are blank students in this class. There are blank students in this class. You're going to find out the correct answer, okay?
Teacher, I am finite.
When you're finished, please press the raise hand button.
Teacher, what page?
Page 172. Circle number 2.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, let's wait for the others.
Finish, teacher.
Teacher, land what page?
Page 172.
Okay, thank you. Finish, teacher.
Teacher, land finish.
Yes, let's wait for the others. Some of your classmates are still writing.
Finish. Finite, teacher. Very good, teacher.
Finish. Finish.
Finite, teacher. Very good, teacher.
Everybody finished? Alright, so if you're finished, let's go to the next part. Number 2. David spent the last 3 days reading a storybook. He read 42 pages each day. Wait a minute. How many pages are there in the storybook? So for the final answer, David read 42 pages of the storybook each day. So he spent the last 3 days reading it. So there are blank pages in the storybook. The final answer will be, there are blank pages in the storybook.
Finish.
All right. Let's wait for the others. I can still see somebody writing. Is everybody finished?
Finish. Not finished. Not finished.
Okay, let's wait for the others.
Teacher, land what page?
Page 173. 173. You may take a picture of this part because I'm going to show you now my homework.
Teacher, please wait.
What?
Teacher, I'm going to take a picture first.
Yeah, this one. I think we can continue this next week. Okay, for your homework, please answer page 172. This one, not yet, okay? Number 2, not yet. Number 2 will be next week, okay? For your homework.
Teacher, number 2. Teacher, what's spent in the homework? Teacher,
172.
teacher,
Next week.
number 2.
Sharif, number 2 next week.
Next week.
Next week.
Okay.
Homework, page 172 only.
Homework 172.
Yes. Okay, so today we learned some word problems about multiplication. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance, and I also hope that you enjoyed this class. Bye!
Bye. Bye bye. Teacher.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.